The title of this poem is I Saw the Caged Bird. Let us start. I saw the caged bird, caged by nothing but intangible bars, and longing and hope have spun around his moxie so tight and firm, which have left him melancholic. I saw the caged bird, caged by wealth, and left him too miser to spend on self. Rescheduling of plans have raided the dress of his dreams and left them shabby. I saw the caged bird, caged by fame, reduced his way in 1 meter radius, as all the mountains of his conscience are snowbound and winter in the whole body. I saw the free bird, moving in free space through the borders of longing, wealth, and fame, happy-go-lucky as encouraged by ultimate peace, like hermit and dervish. Thanks for watching.